Want to know how to create a Mailchimp account? It's easier than you think, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps, so stick around to make sure you don't miss anything. To get started, head over to Mailchimp's homepage. You'll see an option to sign up right there. You just need to click on Sign Up Free to start the process. Make sure to enter a valid email address because this is where you'll receive your account confirmation. Once you've entered your email, you'll be asked to set up a password for your account. Keep in mind that Mailchimp requires a secure password with at least 8 characters and a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, or special characters. This ensures your account stays safe. Next thing, you'll need to enter your business or personal details, including your full name, business name, if applicable, and website address. Don't worry if you don't have a website yet, you can skip that part and come back to it later. Now, Mailchimp will ask for your physical address. This is important because Mailchimp needs this to comply with anti-spam laws. So go ahead and input your address. This step is mandatory, but it won't be visible on your email campaigns. The next thing, you'll need to select a plan. If you're just getting started, you can use Mailchimp for free. The free plan offers up to 500 subscribers and 1,000 email sends per month, which is a great starting point. If you need more features or more subscribers, there are paid plans available too. The fourth thing you'll do is verify your email. Check your inbox for the verification email from Mailchimp. Once you click the verification link, you'll be redirected back to Mailchimp to complete the final setup. At this point, you'll be ready to log in and start creating your first campaign. But hold on, before you dive in, let me remind you that you can use Mailchimp completely free from the first link below with our exclusive bonuses. You'll have access to all the features you need to get started without any risk. In conclusion, now that your Mailchimp account is set up, you're ready to begin managing your emails, automating campaigns, and building your subscriber list. If you stick with the free plan, you can start growing your email marketing strategy with no upfront cost, and when you're ready, Mailchimp's paid features are just a click away. And before you go, don't forget that the video mentioned an exclusive extended free trial to Mailchimp through our link below, so you can try even more advanced features at no extra cost. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the first link for that bonus.